Hello guys, today I'm gonna do a tutorial on the TREFLIP and how to learn it. And first of all I want to say that before learning the TREFLIP you must have to know how to shove it and how to kickflip. If you know these two tricks you will definitely be able to learn the TREFLIP, and I don't recommend learning the TREFLIP before any of these two tricks because you could get it confused that way. So now I will show a slow motion clip of the flip so you guys can see how to do it, and you can basically see what my fingers are doing at what time, because if I explain that there's not gonna it's gonna be hard to understand, and that's why I'm just gonna show a really high speed slow motion of that. Okay, so you just saw that video, and now I'm gonna basically tell you how to learn it. So, a kickflip is basically a shove it while doing a kickflip, but it's a 360 shove it, which I don't often do, but it's a 360 shove it and a kickflip, and you basically combine those two, so you flip the deck to 360 degrees while also rotating it 360 degrees, which then looks like this, as you saw in the video already. And the thing is, you just how you can practice it. You know your shove it. So you just basically do the motion of a shove it and then try to squeeze the kickflip into that. So you kind of twist your arm out. And again, just look at what I did in the slow motion video, and that way you can see what the movement is. And the thing also with fingerboard tricks, I said this in my last tutorial, there's no definite thing I can tell you where you now just know how to TREFLIP. The thing is practice. I took way too long to learn my TREFLIP. I learned it maybe in 2 weeks or something, and I practiced basically every day. I'm a slow learner, but I eventually then learned the TREFLIP, and it was just basically practicing and just always trying to get that one feeling of how to do the trick. And once you kind of get the feeling, you just have to practice over and over again so you can perfect it and you can always land it. Yep, that's basically it. You get a feeling for the trick, you just know what you're doing when you have to do it, and it's just a matter of knowing what the movement is and then just trying it over and over again. Okay, so that was my tutorial, kind of. I hope it helped. It was a really short one, but I just have nothing really more to say to this matter, because really I didn't learn it any other way. I didn't have any other tools. I just knew those things, and it worked pretty good. And those are just my experiences. I don't know, maybe you'll learn it a different way. There are also other videos that go more into detail, and maybe you'll find your answers in those. But for now, this was my opinion. This is my way of learning the trick. This is how I learned the trick. And also I want to say, now we're at the end of the video, thank you so much guys for 700 subscribers. I hope there will be more videos coming. At the moment it's really stressful with school combined with work. Other things just have to be done and stuff. Also just private life and stuff. So if I don't bring out that many videos, if we just don't make that many videos, me and David, we're just basically either lazy or we're really busy, so just pick the one you want. Again, thank you so much for 700 subs. I think we have 760 or something, so we can really try to get to 1,000. That would be more than cool, and I would be really happy about that. But only subscribe if you like the content. Yeah, excited. Thank you guys for watching these videos. Goodbye. Okay, so another tip I have for you is actually a fingerboard site where you can buy very well-priced fingerboards. they don't cost a lot. This is boneless FB right here that I'm showing you right now. See, they sell fingerboards for like $12 or $15, and the shipping is also not much. And I also own 3 of these decks. The last video I've completely made on this deck, and my friend David also used only these decks, and we really like them. They sent us a sponsor pack in the video before that, and yeah, I'm really happy with these boards. And if you're looking for a really good board, but for not that much money, you can definitely get that right here. Just another tip. And I also know the guy, Gabriel Morrison. Also, you can order your plies, the plies you want customly, which I find really cool. There's not a lot of shops where you can do that, and I really like these decks, high quality stuff. And he also sells a lot of different things, like bags and so on. So yeah, also, yeah, I genuinely really like these decks, and yeah, go check them out. They sponsored us, as I said, sponsor videos, so you can check that out as well if you want to. Yeah.